there is a quiet revolution going on, and it's time to join. Take a look at the all-new Ottobock Work Hub, engineered to boost your business. Go digital with us and get the tools you need to make your business more efficient and profitable. Imagine being able to manage and analyze all of your machines across every location with a single fingertip. But how, you might be asking? Well, let's go to one of the workshops and see. Meet the workshop manager. She has all the data relating to her workshop at hand, keeping her in full control of her machines. The machines are all interconnected to improve their output, increase efficiency, and minimize running times and costs. Take the oven, for example. It's ready for the technician to use. The whole workshop team can see the status of every machine, and all in real time, of course. That means no waiting around. So the team can spend its valuable time on other tasks. How cool is that? The Ottobock Work Hub tells you when your material has reached the right temperature. Sensor data triggers push notifications that keep you informed around the clock. Just perfect. Well, not everything can be perfect. That's why the Ottobock Work Hub tells you what to do, so that you can keep everything running smoothly. Advanced notifications inform you when a service needs to be performed, so that you can plan it ahead of time. Now, the job is done and dusted. The new Ottobock Work Hub. Orthopedic business has never been easier or more efficient. Maintain an overview of your workshops and keep the analysis data for your machines constantly in view for a smart, future-proof workshop that creates first-class orthopedic products.